Good morning everyone, how are you? I'm just out in the woods today, getting some pictures. I've brought my tripod along. It's a nice little light tripod. It's also got a little carry handle which is really useful. The kit I've got today is a Canon 7D Mark II with a Sigma 70 to 300mm lens. So I'm hoping to get some nice shots today. So yeah, join me for this adventure. So the weather today, I'm in the UK in Kent at the moment, and it's not sunny, but it's hot. See, it's quite cloudy, you got some clouds, but like, I think it's mid-20s, so around 24, 25 degrees today. But yeah, it's not really sunny. And I know I am in the woods, but even out of the woods, walking to it along like the roads, it is not sunny today. So hope that doesn't affect the wildlife that is out today, but we will see. So yes, I'm just walking along here. I went here yesterday. I was out for about an hour. You can see the pictures I got on my Instagram, autofocus images, link in the description also, so please give me a follow. I am almost at 9,000 followers, which is amazing. That is literally like a dream. So, well, dream's 10k, so literally 1,000 away. We are 9/10 of the way now. So yeah, down my local woods there isn't too much normally. You get the odd squirrel, fox, but they're quite rare. I've only seen a few when I've been down here, and they are normally off the track in bits like that, or in the shrubs over there. But if I see some, that's like perfect day. See a squirrel or a fox and get a picture of it. But if not, macro photography of insects and bugs and what have you would also be great. That's what I'm aiming for, the insects today. So yeah, might see a few birds. I can hear a few, but you can never really see them. They're always up high in the trees. If you're wondering what I'm using to film today, I'm on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So full HD we've got here, so absolutely gorgeous camera, well, phone I should say. So yeah, I think that's enough waffling. Let's get on to getting some shots. So this is what I'm currently doing at the moment. I've just put the camera on the tripod and turned it on, and I've just left it there. I'm now going over to the bushes and just looking very carefully for any insects or bugs I can see. As you can see there's a tiny black beetle sitting on that bit. I don't know if it will focus, but right in the centre bit there you can see it moving. There's a beetle, but I think it's too small because I haven't actually got a macro lens yet. You've got a fly there. I might try and get that. So it's all about just taking time and looking in the bushes to see what you can see, because they just hide and they're well camouflaged, these insects. So I'll probably spend a few minutes looking here. If I see anything good, I'll try and snap it. If I don't, I'll move on just further down and just keep going down. So I've just moved on a bit. I was in the last clip just over there, and I've just come down the path and there's nothing really out. Seen a few damselflies, but I did get a load of pictures of them yesterday. Coming along, I have just seen a butterfly on the floor. I'll show you now. So over there is a butterfly, and I don't know how well you can see in this light, but obviously you will see it because I'm recording on the camera. You can see him there, sitting on the path, chilling. So there hasn't been much out apart from this butterfly really. So I'm gonna have to carry on along the track and see what else I can see. So the weather keeps going sunny, dark, and the wind keeps picking up a bit. I've now just emerged from the woods and I'm now in like an open field bit. I'm thinking of heading to by a river now, which is not that long, about half a mile away from me. So I'm heading there now, I think, and see if there's any herons or any birds or anything like that. So yeah, it's about half a mile walk. So it's in fields and through bits of woods as well. So it's a quite nice walk. So yeah, I'll update you when I get there unless I see anything else, because really all the clips you've seen is literally all the insects I've seen. Just a few damselflies, butterflies and some like bees and wasps. So nothing too interesting really so far, but I'm going to keep my hopes up and head towards this river and see what we can find there. I do apologise if it's a bit too windy and you can't really hear me. But I'm now walking through a field, but I am on a public footpath, as you can see behind. See, it is a public footpath. So, I'm not sure whether I am going to the river, because it is further than I thought. Sorry about all the wind. Yeah, it's further than I did think. I'll look on the map in a minute, because I'll get to, when I get to the end of this field, I'll look on the map to see how far it is. Okay, so I've just looked at the map and it's not too far. It's probably about a 15 to 20 minute walk away, but the weather has started to cloud over, as you can see. Honestly, I'm not even seeing any birds around this field I'm in. So yeah, I think I'm going to head back now, and yeah, obviously go back through the woods. I'll come the way I've come. I'll come back the way I've come from. I'll go the way I came, so hopefully there'll be some more bugs out or anything. So hopefully there'll be some more bugs out in the woods, so I'll have to find out. So yeah, because I'm getting rather hungry, I haven't eaten anything today. So we're just heading back now, and I'll update you in a minute. This weather is just typical UK weather. I've just literally come out the field and got into the woods, and look at it, the weather is beautiful. It's really sunny. Cool. It's getting quite hot now as well. So yeah, well, I'm in the UK at the minute. That's where I live, in Kent. And I will be going abroad. I'm going to Rhodes in Greece in less than 2 weeks, which is amazing. I cannot wait. So obviously I'll do some videos there. I probably won't take my Canon 7D Mark II, only because it's quite expensive and I haven't had insurance on it yet. So I'll probably take my Nikon D3 100 with the probably the Canon 70 to 200mm lens, or the Tamron 70 to 300mm. I have not decided yet, but it'll be one of them two. So yeah, I'll be going to Rhodes, first holiday abroad for me, so that is going to be really good. I'm really looking forward to it. So yeah, I'm just now walking through the woods, well, on this tarmac, because these woods that I'm in, they used to be an old factory. So yeah, I'm just walking along the old road that used to lead up to the factory, and they're bloody building houses or something, I suspect. And I don't know if you can hear that, but it's a digger right round the corner, and it was following me the whole way. So yeah, really annoying, scaring off the wildlife, not good at all. Okay guys, I'm now in the woods. I've just entered it, so it's nice and cool in here actually, and yeah, it's quite nice. I wanted to know, if you do have a nature page on Instagram or a wildlife page or anything, kind of like nature or wildlife related, do DM me on Instagram or leave a comment down below on this video, and I can add you to my nature only DM group. I will be doing a video on that to explain all about it, but in short, it's a DM group. It's a group where we have a chat about nature and wildlife on Instagram, and you basically put your link to your latest Instagram post in the chat, and then all the people in the chat, there's almost 90 people at the moment, I think, so that is amazing, and then they'll all like and comment on it. So then effectively each post you do, you get about 90 extra likes and 90 extra comments, so hopefully that will help boost your page a bit. And it's all legit people, all real nature pages and wildlife pages, so it's really good. So if you are interested in joining, it's all free. All I ask for is for you to follow my page and I'll follow you back. And yeah, it's a great group, we have a great chat, great laugh, and yeah, it's just tripping over, it's just to help us all out. So yeah, I'm at the woods bit now, it's getting rather hot. So if you would like to join, just leave a comment down below or DM me on Instagram at autofocusimages, and yeah, I'll add you to the group. Compared to yesterday morning when I came out to get some pictures, I'm quite disappointed today. I haven't seen definitely half as much as I saw yesterday, and I don't think I've even taken one picture today. It's just little videos for this video. And yesterday I got, I think, about 30 to 40 pictures yesterday. So yeah, some days are good days, some days are bad, I guess, for photography. So as I said, if you do want to see them pictures, do follow my Instagram at autofocusimages. Send me a DM, say you watch a video, I'll give you a follow back, and yeah, maybe I'll shout you out on my page, on my story. So that's always good. I do like to help other pages out. So yeah, there's a butterfly there, don't know if you saw it. But yeah, it's extremely hot now and I'm hungry and thirsty. I'm heading back home. It's not too far home now. I'm now heading back, as I said, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, please do subscribe and follow me on my Instagram and see the pictures I take and follow my journey. So yeah, thank you for watching, I really appreciate it. Check out my Canon 7D Mark II unboxing video if you are interested. More videos coming soon. So thank you very much for watching and take care.